Now, principal of the St. Andrew Technical High School, Dr. Warrell Hibbert, is sounding the alarm over the continued violence in the country, which is also affecting young people. The devastated headmaster was speaking during Wednesday's funeral service for national youth footballer Omar Leng. Karen Madden reports.
A little girl plays with her grandmother, oblivious of the fact that her young father's life has been snuffed out. Omar Leng's number 10 stood at the top of his casket as scores of family, fans, and members of his community turned out to pay their final respects to a gifted player killed in the prime of his life. Stats principal Dr. Warrell Hibbert said the school community is struggling to deal with the tragedy and sounded the call for change.
I think passing bills, passing tougher laws is one aspect, but I think we need a more underground, direct approach to treating with crime and violence in this country, particularly those that happen, for young people. Young people are our future, and if we continue to take the lives of our young people, then what kind of future do we imagine that we're going to have? So, it's about putting everything into perspective here. We had a young, bright individual that a promising career in football, had a promising career, to help his family get out of the poverty that they were in. And then just like that, he's gone.
And the captain of the Stats football team, Omar Reed, summed up how his peers were feeling.
I feel a lot of pain right now, and truly hurt he won't be here for us again, and he won't be able to see us win the Money Cup title this season. I wouldn't want this to happen because it's sad, and I wouldn't wish this for anyone or any mother's son, because it hurts, it really hurts.
Stats coach Philip Williams says that the school's football community want to ensure the young player's legacy lives on, even as he bemoaned the violence in the society.
I mean, it's sad when we have our athletes being killed like that, but I mean, it's a society that we're living in, and things need to change where that is concerned. On all levels, and definitely it is something that we need to look into ourselves and see that we cannot continue living like this, and change our ways and how we view life.
Leng's mother, Millerine Gizart, struggled to accept the reality that her son was robbed of his life.
I don't deserve this. I have to question God why Him give me this journey to carry. Why? I question Him again. I said, Daddy, my beer 18 years, what a hungry, and got my bed hungry just to make them survive. And at this me get in return, I don't know for the wickedness. My son need a cause him not talk to people from Baltimore yard.
The national youth player succumbed to his injuries after he was one of 3 persons shot as he celebrated his 18th birthday on April 22. Karen Madden, TVJ Sports.